To the episode of the Valmiki Ramayana number 31. We are here exactly at the Jalnarayan temple of that what we call near Kathmandu. We are continuing our what we call Ramayana episode that Vishwamitra departs with Rama and Lakshmana. Rama started off with Vishwamitra and his brother Lakshmana, who was inseparable from him. He also followed. So they both came with their bows and arrows and were also protective gloves for the handmake of the strong of the skin of a kind lizard. That is so they walked along with the southern bank of the river Sarayu for 1.5 what we call it is Yojana, distance about 18 kilometers. अपन पिछले एपिसोड में बात देखेंगे about the river what we call Sarayu. In regarding that, Vishwamitra here taught them these two mantras. Mantra का नाम क्या है बोले तो ना बाला and Atibala. This is very important. ये मंत्र के क्या विषय बोलते ना Vishwamitra taught them how to what you call free from hunger and thirst, and also would be protected from the Rakshasas even when they were asleep. When they were asleep. This is the first of the several mantras they got from the rishis. After spending the night, they started the next day early morning. Here Vishwamitra, who chanted the famous sloka Kausalya Supraja Rama, meaning what Kausalya's darling, and please awake Rama and Lakshmana from the sleep very early. These are all this what you call Suprabhadam is done even in our Kali Yuga temple, what you call Lord Venkateshwara, and this we are seeing what you call Jalnarayanan at Kathmandu. Very natural God place. This is very important. We the Valmiki Ramayanam Gopikas or Srirangachana are very fortunate to see the what you call Jalnarayan, which is a natural at Kathmandu. And completely important point is Vishwamitra, after doing the Suprabhadam and all, then they reached the place, the river called Tripanga, joined by the Sarayu. They also saw a group of Padamani. They also saw a beautiful group of what we call several rishis of Brahmins. Rama wanted to know the history of the place, and Vishwamitra very duly explained all the things and all. Then Vishwamitra said that they all started the next morning. They crossed the river by a boat. When they reached the river, a very loud noise was heard, and Rama wanted to know about it. Vishwamitra explained that the river Sarayu was very pure and sacred. It was originated from what we call the lake Manasa. Lake Manasa, a lake which was created by Brahma. It was created by Brahma. That the big noise they heard, arose from the joining of the river Sarayu with the Ganges. At the present, what you call things are very different because of the landslides and other things. Then they reached the southern bank and started walking through a dark, terrifying forest, thick with the what we call huge trees. That is nothing but what we call Tava and Kadava, Asuma and Hilva, and then they can reach meditation. Then there are two kingdoms called as Malada and Kusa. Lord Indra had conquered a cursed place. There he was treated by Devas and Rishis. There was Devas and Rishis who were living there, and he got liberated from the curse. So Indra was so pleased that he blessed this place. By this what we call, we are entering into the ending of that Valmiki Ramayana episode number 31. This is very important. Madam, please come. This is the girl who is joining with our what we call escorting at all the places and showing the what we call at the Kathmandu. Sir, आप दो शब्द बात कीजिए madam. We are doing the Valmiki Ramayana Parayana. This video is going all over across the world and all. Talk about this temple. Talk about your.
This is a Buddha Nilkanta temple, natural sleeping god Vishnu in 14th century. This one is natural. Bye.
That's all. So, और दो शब्द बात कीजिए
क्या बोलना?
इसके बारे में और anything.
ओके ये नेचुरल स्लीपिंग गॉड विष्णु है. ये बहुत धार्मिक मंदिर है. 14th सेंचुरी में एक जो बुद्धा नाम के आदमी थे, वो अपने खेत में जब हल जोते थे, तब वो जो भगवान विष्णु पे जमीन के नीचे लेटे हुए थे, जब वो हल जोते थे तब वो हल मूर्ति में लग गया, फिर हल टूट गया, फिर उन्होंने गांव का सारा किसानों को बुलाया और मूर्ति जमीन के नीचे से उतारा, और इस जगह का नाम बुड्ढा नीलकंठ भी उनके नाम से रखा गया है. तो यहाँ पे अभी फॉरेनर लोग भी आते हैं, जिनको अंदर नहीं अलाउड है ना, वो लोग भी बाहर से दर्शन करके जाते हैं. तो ये नेचुरल है.
Thank you. So, and अभी दो शब्द बात कीजिए ना. Talk about the two things.
I have no knowledge in English.
वहाँ हिंदी में बात कर सकते हैं.
आप लोग भी आ जाना.
ये बूढ़ा नीलकंठ है, इनकी मान्यता अच्छी है. और यहाँ लोग धार्मिक अनुष्ठान भी लोग करते हैं, शादी विवाह कार्यक्रम निपटाते हैं और अच्छा लगता है। जैसे भगवान शिव सागर में सोए हुए हैं उस तरह से यहाँ सोए हुए हैं।
Once again, you can see the very beautiful of the
Jai Hind,
Jalna.
Jai Bharat.
Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. बढ़िया बोले. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. That's the thing. So coming back to this is once again you can see the what you call of the beautiful surroundings of the Jal Narayan and all that. It's a very important place. You can see the atmosphere. People from the tourist places all over the please come and have the worshipping of the God and all. By this we are ending our episode number Valmiki episode number 31. Thankful once again to our Gopikas of our Sri Rangacharana who are traveling along with us right from what you call Muktinath and to the what you call Muktinath से अयोध्या से मुक्तिनाथ से सब अपने साथ चल रहे हैं। आज अपन what you call जल नारायण के पास है। Thank you once again to my what you call my Gopikas of the Sri Rangacharana who are doing this Valmiki Ramayanam Parayanam and Ramat Prayanam. Thank you once again. Be happy. Take care of
Where do you
yourself.
live?
Sir, हम सब भारत में इंडिया में रहते हैं, हैदराबाद से आए। आप कहाँ रहते हैं सर?
यहाँ यूपी में।
Yeah, UP में उत्तर प्रदेश में रहते हैं। We had a very good darshan of Lord Ayodhya Ram Mandir and all. Thank you once again. Be happy, all our Gopikas of our Sri Rangachanam. We are doing this Valmiki Ramayanam Parayanam Prayanam only for our next generation. लोगों के our next generation should be longevity, health अच्छा रहना पड़ेगा and all everything, and they should be very good, hale and healthy. सर्वे जना सुखिनो भवन्तु, लोका समस्त रामस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु। जय श्री राम, जय श्रीमन नारायण, जय वडु राम, जय 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 वडु राम।